Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez here, back with another video. And we got the 335 here. Of course, we do. But yeah, in today's video, I should play some sad music. It's not necessarily sad, but we got to take apart the turbo, at least the front housing. We got to take that off. We have to do all of this other stuff because I figured out the overboosting issue with this car. So it's the springs inside of the wastegates down there. I don't know if y'all can see, it's real dark, but yeah, pretty much the springs inside of the wastegates. I think there's like 3 springs in there. I don't know, but we about to check. We about to pull everything apart. Got to take off the intercooler, front housing of the turbo. I got to take out the charge pipe on this side, take out the fan. What else? Yeah, take off the lines just so I can get access to this front wastegate down there. It's gonna be a pain to take off, but you know, it is what it is. I gotta do it. You know, if I want to try to, you know, push this car, I have to take care of this issue right now. If I don't, I'm not gonna really be able to let it be able to see its full potential, so to speak. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I hate the fact that I couldn't figure this. Well, we didn't think about this before we put the motor and everything in the car. So, but it is what it is. Stuff happens. I just want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers. Everybody showing support, love and support. I see it. I appreciate everybody, man. Like, this is just like a dream come true, you know. My car channel is taking off, you know, in a good direction. It's getting good traffic, so I work real hard at what I do. So, you know, I just want y'all to enjoy it, and when I see y'all enjoying it, and I have a pretty decent, you know, following, and it's growing, you know, it's a good feeling. So yeah, so we gonna let the car cool off, and then I already took off this part right here to the fan. I'm gonna pull the fan out. But yeah, these single turbo kits, they get hot. Even now, housing is hot. But yeah, so I'm gonna let the car cool off.
You got the sauce, bitch.
Can't smoke right now. Yeah. Somebody remove. Alright. Hey, yo. 46 hours? Damn. Hold on. Okay, I don't take 46 hours. Well, book time it calls for 46 hours. 46 hours at my shop rate is $5,700. But if I do 47, yeah, 46. Well, if I take it down to $100 an hour, I can get it down to $4,600.
So what do you guys usually
150. Yeah, 5,700. 700 is like 125, and then like 100 is 4,600. So you're saving $1,000. That does not. That's just overhaul too, and the turbo kit. You know. Okay, so the 47, the 40. Yeah. That does not include parts though. Okay, so if you gotta put new valve cover and all that shit.
Okay, so
Yeah, that's just the.
for the most part, what are the things that I might have to replace?
All the gaskets, like front and rear main seal, oil pan gasket, a valve.
Chucky got the sauce,
All right, guys, so I don't know where I left off at, but I ended up taking the turbo off. Turbo is over here, sitting pretty. Downpipe is off, intercooler, all that good stuff. I had to go in through the freaking wheel well right there to get to that the rear wastegate, and then I got to the front wastegate right here. That's why it's such a pain. That's why it took so long for me to do this. But yeah, so I took it off. So come to find out, this is what was in each wastegate right here. I don't know how, but maybe they were bought like that when I got them. I didn't touch the wastegate, so this is what was in there. We both was just shook, so that kind of made sense. So these probably equaled up to like maybe 30, around that 32 psi. So we ditched those. I hit up Doc Vu, my tuner, and he said to run a green and a red spring. That'll put me right around like 30 psi. If I wanted to make 30, I could make it. But wastegate, I don't even know. I have to ask him real quick how much that'll be for wastegate. But yeah, we got the wastegates back together. Got the dump tube on there, lined them up, so I'll know exactly how it goes back in the car. Got this, the rear one right here, got that, feel me? So the overboosting issue is taken care of. This is why it took so long. So this is not a quick job at all whatsoever. Maybe it is if you're used to doing it, but for me, like I said, I'm new to the single turbo stuff, so I take my time, and you know, I can't do it. I wouldn't say I can't, but first time around, I'm going to do it at a certain speed, so to speak. But yeah. See, got it off. I had to remove the O2 sensor for bank 2 to get to that one. So yeah, so I'm about to slap those back on there, put everything back together, and then I should be good. I should be able to dial in the car on 93 with no problems. The car didn't have problems boosting. Let's get this clear. It did not have problems boosting. It just was over boosting. So, well, that kind of is problems with boosting, but it was making the boost it was supposed to make, but it just was trying to, you know, get to like 30. So that's where we at with that. Got that guy right there. Oh man, if you're in Georgia, comment down below if this pollen is killing you, because this pollen is killing me. Look, it's all right there. I need to detail this engine bay, but bruh. Oh my god, I need to take some Claritin or something. But yeah, I'm about to put this all back together. While I'm at it, while I'm here, I'm getting codes for bank 1 O2 sensor, so I'm gonna pull this off and put my other one in that I had bought. new and only used. I probably only had like maybe 600 miles on it, maybe 600 to 1,000. I don't know. I can't really remember, but I remember replacing Bank 102 when I was running twins on my other car that I had. So I still have it. Just gonna swap it in and see if that fixes that code that I was getting. Might as well since I'm here, bro, because to get to this O2, literally the turbo has to come off. But yeah, so we are gonna do that. Well, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, like I said, shout out to Eric, Special Performance, for coaching me through all of this, giving me tips and pointers and whatnot. But all of this just to get to that. Oh man, I tell you, bro, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay on this platform. It's like, nah, I'm gonna be on here for a minute. But yeah, so now I'm just excited that we get to dial in this car on 93. It's gonna be lit. I'm dialing it on 93, and you know I got the port injection on the car ready to go. And then the next step is to what is the next step? What was I about to say? Oh, the next step is to go stage 3 fuel system. So I'm gonna do that. Here goes stage 3 fuel system. Add a second pump, add a hob switch, and run full E85. So I could turn the boost up. But once I do that, and then I almost forgot, I have to service the seals in the transmission and service the shift solenoids, and put another brand new filter on there and new fluid. And then I have to get a custom tune for the transmission, so the trans can hold even more, you know, hold the power better, you know. And then I have Rod Sutphin tune it. But we are making progress, so to speak. Other than that, I won't even have like no other engine related issues this car. So everything else would be aesthetics. I can focus on that. And I say like maybe the most boost I'm gonna probably run is like maybe 26, 27-ish on full E85. That's like I'm not gonna be daily in that. No, not gonna be daily in that. I would probably be running like probably like I don't know, wastegate, run around on wastegate maybe, or 20 psi on the daily. That should be more than enough. Maybe 18 pounds to keep everything safe. And then, you know, when I want to play, you know, and race, I can turn it up. The GFB, simple as that. So I don't know if I want to end the video here. It was a kind of like a lot of time lapsing in it. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put all this back together. I do not feel like filming that because it's gonna take mad long to film and do this. It's just gonna be a long time lapse. But I appreciate everybody checking into this video. Be on the lookout for this next video. Make sure, if y'all haven't already, if you enjoyed the content and if you watched the video all the way through, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss another lit video like this. Like the video if you actually like the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Let's get it.